1.5-cup capacity. Dishwasher-safe removable parts. Improved chopping assembly and lid. Oil holes. Add oil to hummus and vinaigrette as you mix without making a mess. Stainless steel blades. Bi-level stainless steel blades stay sharp, providing long-lasting performance. Size. 1.5-cup capacity. Design. Chopper. The Black+Decker HC150B One-Touch Chopper gives you the power to create your favorite side dishes and easily prepare ingredients for larger recipes. One-touch pulse control operates the bi-level stainless steel blade to chop and mince food in the 1.5-cup prep bowl. Plus, all removable parts are dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice replacement. This replaced an older model that we have had for many years. It is better designed, easy to get the cup to fit on the base, easy to get the lid to fit securely on the top of the cup, easier to keep the start switch clear of stuff you are grinding. We use it to make jam, grinding up fruit, so the old one had a tendency to get sticky during use as it was often a struggle to get the cup properly placed, and then rotated into position and then get the top positioned, and then rotated.